Setting up the workpiece for tapered grinding. Manually jog your ID wheel into position and touch off on your part. Once you touch off, reference the machine X position. You will notice it's a negative number. For this example, the X will show negative 2.72041, and the total stock removal will be added, which is 0.00203. You write the number negative 2.72238, which is basically just add the total stock to the number shown and press confirm. Press the wheel image on the screen to teach it. Its current zero position. Then it will automatically give you your total stock removal. Reference the third square on the left of the screen. Then on the first square on the left is your fine feed amount. The second is the middle grinding. Then jog your wheel to the back of the part. Input your safety position, which is where the wheel will go before grinding. The fourth box is for the safety position. Once you move to the back of the wheel, get the zero position. Press the second wheel image and confirm to get the zero position on the back. The rest is self-explanatory. Dwell on the front and the back, safety retract position, then work at RPM. Your method of grinding: plunge, step cross with feeding on both ends, or a step cross with only feeding on one side. Setting up your dress cycle is self-explanatory. The first image shows dress per pass. The second one is feed rate per dress. Third, number of passes. And then each block is set up for rough, the middle, and fine grinding. Next, we have the grinding setup. First is grind per pass. Second, feed rate of the plunge. Third, feed rate for traverse. Fourth, dwell time. And fifth, safety position after dress cycle. This is for rough, middle, and fine grinding. That concludes grind setup for tapered grinding.